He discernible universe alludes to the part of the universe that we would be able to notice and study utilizing telescopes and different instruments. Anyway, this ability is restricted because light, the fundamental wellspring of data about the universe, can go at a limited speed. Accordingly, we can notice objects and occasions that are at a certain distance from us. We can't straightforwardly see objects or occasions that happened quite a while in the past. The width of the visible universe is assessed to be roughly 93 billion light-years, which is much larger than the estimated age of the universe, which is 13.8 billion years. This disparity is because the expansion of the universe has caused objects that were once close together to move away from one another. Furthermore, light from those objects has required additional time to reach us. In general, the universe is a vast and interesting space, but there is considerably more we don't have awareness of. Anyway, with the utilization of NASA's James Webb Space Telescope and other scientific instruments, we can keep on studying the structure, creation, and history of the universe, as well as other peculiarities. Join us as we discover the vast structures that the James Webb Telescope has just connected within the far reaches of the universe. If you are keen on staying up to date with news from the universe and its surroundings, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and turn on the notification chime. What lies beyond the visible universe? To reach the far reaches of the visible universe, we would have to develop transportation methods that would allow us to transcend existence, such as utilizing a warp drive or wormholes. This idea has long been the subject of debate among scientists, some of whom believe that they are only impossible and that they go against the concept of faster-than-light travel. The viability of both possibilities, faster-than-light travel and the utilization of advanced technology beyond the range of current human understanding, is a subject of intense debate. Regardless of whether they were theoretically possible, it would require technological advances in hardware that are currently beyond our capabilities. The theory of cosmic expansion posits that the total size of the universe is no less than 10 to the power of multiple times larger than the observable universe. This number is so vast that it is incomprehensible to the human mind. Since we can't see or measure the imperceptible part of the universe, we have no way of knowing with certainty what lies beyond its limits. Anyway, that doesn't imply that we can't develop hypotheses based on the information we have gathered from distant universes. And this is where NASA plays a significant role. NASA, in collaboration with other space agencies and research institutions around the world, has made numerous significant contributions to our understanding of the universe. Even before the James Webb Telescope became operational, NASA had already published images of the ultra-deep field obtained with the Hubble telescope. When the James Webb Telescope made its debut, it was utilized to observe the most distant galaxies ever recorded. These images reveal the existence of numerous galaxies shining in the distant universe, appearing as they were billions of years after the Big Bang occurred approximately 13.8 billion years ago. The expansion of the universe causes the stretching of light into redder frequencies, which allows the James Webb Telescope to detect infrared light. This has allowed us to observe galaxies forming in the early stages of the universe's history. The James Webb Telescope has made observations of several fields of galaxies, allowing scientists to study the rate at which stars formed in the early universe. These data revealed the existence of a large population of galaxies that were forming stars in the early stages of the universe. The discoveries are truly fascinating and provocative. For a long time, people have considered the possibility that we are alone in this vast universe. However, these new discoveries within the visible universe lead us to think that there must be millions of galaxies in the invisible part of the universe. This idea is truly astonishing and awakens a sense of awe and wonder about the infinity of the universe. Are there extraterrestrial beings somewhere in the universe? The probability of life beyond Earth has never been truly compelling, leading us to consider the possibility of the existence of extraterrestrials. There are numerous planets outside our solar system known as exoplanets, which have been discovered using methods such as the transit method and the radial velocity method. Some of these exoplanets may have Earth-like characteristics and harbor life. This theory has been supported by a recent discovery made possible by the James Webb Space Telescope. Connected with the exoplanet WASP 96b, this planet is located outside our solar system, and its light spectrum reveals something astonishing: the presence of water molecules. Also, the spectrum gives hints of darkness and clouds, which were not previously thought to exist on a habitable planet. This discovery is significant because it challenges our understanding of planetary atmospheres and their potential to support life. The detection of water molecules on WASP 96b suggests that the planet has a more complex and dynamic atmosphere than previously assumed, opening up new possibilities for studying the conditions necessary for life, based on the habitable conditions found elsewhere in the universe. Considering the advances in the search for exoplanets, it is difficult to dismiss the possibility that alien creatures exist beyond our planet. The discovery